Okay guys, so I am doing myself some hair growth oil, and this is avocado and aloe vera. Now some people just use the aloe vera, some people use the avocado, but I do a mixture with olive oil, and this is the only oil I have in this product. So I am cooking this and I have it on for about 20 minutes now. I make sure that I use a non-stick pot so it doesn't stick in the bottom of the pot when I'm using this, to make sure I get everything out of it. Now after I finish put this oil, and then when it's cool I'm gonna strain it, and then I am going to show you the final result. So this is my oil cooking here for the last 20 minutes, and you can see how bubbly it is. I think it should be cooked by now, but I'm trying to get more out of the oil. So because you have the avocado in it, then maybe if it was just the aloe vera, by now it would finish. But because it have the avocado in it, because I do cut them and put them in my blender and blend them together with the olive oil. And so I am going to show you the finish after it's finished and I strain it out. I'm going to show you with you guys, so keep watching. Okay guys, so now that my oil is cool, and this is how it looks, I am going to strain it and put it into a jar. But this is, I think this is the avocado that was I put in the aloe vera, because I want to put the two together so that, see how it worked for my hair. So I'm gonna strain it and then I am going to come back. Okay guys, so I have finished my oil. It's cool. I strain it. This is the amount that I get. As I said, I have never tried these two combination together. I tried aloe vera oil one time, some time ago, and I did try the avocado oil separate also, but this time I add the two products together. So this is the amount that I get, and I am going to try this, and then I'm going to tell you how this really works, you guys, if I see any progress in my hair or not. So I just want to say thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next upload. God bless you, and I'll talk to you soon. Ciao.